All right, here's the revised layout for the kitchen. Starting with the island, this red rectangle represents the plumbing coming through the floor. From the face of the cabinet to cabinet is 72 inches, and then from the side, from this corner shooting straight over, about 57 inches. Plenty of walkway all the way around. Trash compactor number 1, trash compactor number 2, and the added ice maker. This is our sink cabinet, and the plumbing comes up through there. Tray divider. If we look at it in 3D, our oven and microwave in this full height cabinet, 36-inch hood and cooktop. This cabinet will be installed after the countertop is put in. Dishwasher, apron sink centered on the window, drawer stack, and then the 48-inch built-in right here. Overhang on the back of the island with doors on the back. More storage cabinets back here. So all these doors only, will have 2 vertical and 2 horizontal mullions. The drawers are inset, no mullions. And I don't have a door with a catalog on there to show the vertical. Most of these will be appropriate to have 2 vertical and 2 horizontal. The tray divider in the island front, this one here, for example, would only have 1 vertical but 2 horizontals, and same with these. Just with the width, there's not enough room to get a reasonable sized square in that door. Reasonable sized square meaning maybe a door like this where you have 9 panels, 2 vertical, 2 horizontal, for a total of 9 panels. That's the kitchen. Laundry room. Our big storage cabinets on this wall. And this cabinet would be clipped to show that, well, with that 3-degree wall, and a large panel here for those base cabinets to die into the face of this full height cabinet with doors above. All these will have the mullions. Lazy Susan in the corner. Your washer and dryer, and I just didn't connect that wall, but and then these guys here. These are pretty narrow doors, so just 1 vertical mullion. But that's our laundry room layout. The master, pretty straightforward on, I think this is the pantry wall, big enough to do 2 vertical, 2 horizontal. Again, these are just inset. Walk-in closet in the master. Plan view. These are 16 deep, and I think you have 36 inches between the 2 of them. Yeah, 35. Drawer stacks. So when you walk in, this is on the left, and there'll be a chrome closet rod here. And let me know on these possibly to delete this for longer coats and dresses storage. The pantry off the kitchen. These are a little tough to look in 3D, but if we look at the elevation view, when you walk in, this is on the right. This is the back wall. That's the depth of all these, 12. And when you walk in, this is the left wall. Outlets here. Outlets, which will be cut out and brought through. Bedroom number 1. The closet. same layout. And due to this wall being 10 inches and these being 16 deep, I've held them off. So we brought them all the way within 1.5 inches of here. It's just a little intrusive. When you walk in, this is on the left. And you have an outlet there anyhow. Back wall and wall on the right as you walk in. Bedroom number 2. This is the electronics cabinet in that back bedroom. And I'll send you elevation views of all this. Elevation view meaning this layout here. You walk in, this is, let's see here. Yeah, this is the back wall. And the last one is the back bedroom with the cabinet that's sunk into the wall. That is the size of this, 31. This is the opening size and depth. That cabinet's 15 deep, but just an open cabinet that slips into that cavity, painted white on the inside. All right, let me know what you think of that, if that works, or if you have any adjustments.